Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Marie, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome girl. If you've been rocking with your girl, hey girl, hey. By the thumbnail you already see, I'm going to be unboxing this cavitation machine. Before I unbox this cavitation machine, I want to say, last week I went to a place. It was a very nice experience, a very nice environment, very nice clean facility or whatever. But on the other side of that, I don't think she used the correct thing on me. Like, I don't think she used the correct thing. Like, I'm gonna tell you. I know you're like, what you mean? I don't think she used the cavitation machine on me. I think she used a skin tightening machine on me. And that's not what I paid for. What I mean is, I don't think that she used the correct machine on me. I really think she used a skin tightening machine. Like, when I went there, I was thinking that she's going to use that circle thing on me that's flat on my stomach for $125. But she used something that had 6 little prongs around. Now, if I'm wrong, please tell me, because I don't know. But all the YouTube videos I watch have used the flat cavitation thing. This has 6 little pokey things sticking out with a red light in the middle. That's not what I paid for, because according to the site, the little 6 rings with the middle red was skin tightening, and that was $75. I paid you $125 for the flat machine to get in here and break this stuff down, and that's not what I got. So, I mean, I just don't think I got the right thing done. I mean, the experience was cool and nice, but if I'm gonna pay $125, I want what I paid for. I just want what I paid for. Like, anywho, let's get into the video. Okay, so I ordered this from Amazon. It came within 2 days. It came today. I ordered it a couple days ago, and it's here today, and I'm super excited. Oh, we're gonna open this box up and see what this box works with. Okay, so I don't know how to do my camera or whatever, so I'm just gonna, like, it haven't opened yet. Like, we're gonna do this together. Like, we in this together. Like, I don't even know what this is gonna look like inside. I mean, I just got this today, and I said I want to open it with my sis. So we're gonna open this together. Like, we're gonna open this, and I know I'm close to the camera, and I'm sorry, because it's the only thing that I can get on that's gonna, like, hold it together. Okay, so it came with this pamphlet, RF cavitation vacuum device. It came with a little book. Came with a book. And then it's plastic. I guess this is, let me sit this down. Y'all can't see the box, okay? I can't do it. I can't do both. So this is, I guess this is what it sits on, or this is what the stuff sits on. We opening this together, y'all. But yeah, I went to that place, and I don't think I got the right thing done on me. But, you know, I'm not going to dwell on that. I mean, I got to swallow that, because, I mean, I can do about it. I mean, I went there and got it done. But I did ask her, I was like, where's the flat thing? She's like, what's the flat thing? I'm like, the flat thing that you put on my stomach, because this is not right. Okay, so, oh, brand new. This is the machine. It's cavitation slimming system. Cavitation slimming center. Okay. And this is one. Everything looks brand new. I read the reviews on this. The reason I'm saying that is because I read the reviews, and people were saying they got used product. I don't want used product. I want new. So this is this. This is what I believe she used on me. But it had 6. Y'all tell me, what is this? Is this for skin tightening? Because this is what she used on me. I forgot to tell y'all too. I didn't forget, but I got this machine from Amazon. I paid $235 for it. And I know that may seem crazy, but I paid $125 for one treatment that I don't see no difference on. When I can get a whole machine to research on and do, get more, out of my dollar. This one is 4. This is bigger. But I'm telling you, like, when I was looking online, people was using this, like, on their face. So I'm like, please help me. Tell me. This is what I was asking her about. I was like, where's the flat thing? She's like, what flat thing? I said, the flat thing to go on my stomach. Like, to go on my stomach. Like, this is what I was looking for, y'all. This. Tell me in the comments if I'm wrong, because I was looking for this and I got this put on my stomach, but I paid $125 for this. This is $125 on their site for the cavitation, but I paid $125 and I got this. Something ain't adding up. Something ain't adding up. Okay, but this is the real deal here. It feels so heavy. It's brand new, which a lot of comments were saying they got used stuff. I'm like, okay. This is new. This is the cord to go to it. And let me see what this is right here. Oh, this is the cord that hooks up to the machine. Hook up to the machine. So, yeah, this is what I got, and I will be trying it out. This video is just unboxing the machine. The next video will be me. I have it all plugged in, and I'll put it on my stomach. I bought some gel last time. It's somewhere. I know, I'm terrible. I bought some gel for like $13, and it's supposed to go with the machine, but from the looks of it, this goes. It has to be nailed down, but I have no nails. So. Is it nailed down? Yeah, I gotta nail this down. I gotta nail all this stuff down, girl. And then once you put it on this tray, then it looks like this goes here. This goes here. You better go in here. What you doing? Oh, okay. There she go. This is my beauty. Isn't she lovely? I paid $235 for her. She came within 2 days, and she's brand new. She's not used. I read a lot of reviews saying they got used products. Now, she not used, but I'm gonna see if she works. So on the next video, I will be doing a video showing me using this. This is the beauty, honey. $235 for her. And she better work, because I paid $125 for one session and I don't see nothing. Being funny. And I won't say who the person was, because the environment was nice, the experience was nice, and she was very friendly. Her facility was clean, smelled good, everything. But I just don't think she used the right thing on me. And I paid for cavitation, and I got skin tightening. But that was the risk I took. Okay, on the website it shows her using her. On the website it showed her using her, but when I got there, she used her. I don't know. I may be wrong. I don't know. You know, I just go off what I saw on YouTube. People like, this is what they use on everyone. But I got this. So please let me know to clear my mind that I paid for the right thing. Okay, because I'm like, where's the flat thing? But instead I got this. Please, like, seriously, y'all, like, seriously, please put in the comments if I got the right procedure done, because I don't know. I don't know. And I want to know. It's like, eat me up inside. Like, dang, I paid $125. Did I get the cavitation machine? But this is heavy. This is going to do so good on me. Let me see. I'm sitting down, but... Oh, excuse my shirt. What is on my shirt? But... we shall see. I want to know. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let your mama, your sister, your auntie, your best friend, your godmama, your homegirl, your cousin, let them know to come check your girl out. Because I'm lit over here. And on the next video, I will record myself getting a procedure done. Because, yeah, and I'll record the progress. Like, I'll show y'all my stomach. I'll show you the before, the after, and I'll do a week. I'll do it twice a week, and then I'll show y'all. So y'all can know if it's worth the money before you spend the money, okay? I will be the guinea pig. I will be the guinea pig. So, until next time, your girl, Sin Marie, is out.